Hello everyone, it's Lisa from tocreateawebsite.com, and today I want to talk to you about the basics of creating a website. What do you need to get started? First of all, you need a domain name. A domain name is the address of your website. So mikesgolfsite.com or lisashelpsite.net. That is the address of your site, and you cannot have a website without a domain name. They're very easy to register. All you do is go to websitepalace.com and you'll see a box on the home page that allows you to search to see if your domain name that you want has already been taken. And if it has, it'll let you know. And if not, you just follow the steps and go through the process of registering it, and that domain name is yours to keep. And you can save money by registering it for long periods of time. The longer you register your domain name, you can do it by years. The longer you register it for, the more money you will save. So if you know your site's going to be around for 5, 10 years, go ahead and choose the 10-year option, and you'll save quite a bit of money that way. After you have your domain name, you need a web host. Now this is very important because the type of site you're going to create is going to govern the type of web host that you need. So it's very important that you clearly define the type of site that you want. For example, if you want to create a very basic site with nothing but pretty much text and pictures, or an About Me site, or a family site, or a site that talks about your vacation travels and just has pictures, then you might want to look at a host called Website Tonight. You can find them by going to websitepalace.com, and under the Build a Site section there is information about Website Tonight. And what I like about this host, it's great for beginners because you simply just pick from hundreds of design templates and it will build your framework for you instantly, and you just add your text and pictures in minutes, and within a day, or less than a day, actually an hour, your site can be up and running, and it's a great tool for beginners. One negative thing about Website Tonight is that it's a little bit limited if you want to, let's say you want to add a shopping cart or install a chat room and do more advanced features with your site. You won't be able to do that with Website Tonight. But they have come a long way in recent years, and now you can add video to your site. You can add a message board, so if you want a forum-like place where people can come and communicate with each other, it has a built-in applet that will allow you to install these things on your site very easily. Another good thing about Website Tonight is that there's no software to download or install. Everything is browser-based. So in order to edit your site, you can do it from any computer. You just go to your account manager at websitepalace.com and log in, and you can update your site right there. So Website Tonight, again, it's best for simplistic sites that are just, information and text and pictures, and it's very easy to use. So that's the first kind of web host. The second type of web host is the kind of web host that most people use. It's just a regular basic host. And if you go to websitepalace.com and look under the hosting section, you'll see this type of host, and they normally start between like $3 and $4 per month. This type of host is the most flexible. They don't give you the design templates that you get with Website Tonight, but if you have software like Microsoft Front Page or Dreamweaver or Coffee Cup, you can simply create your page within the software and then publish your site directly to the web from that software. So your web host will give you like a username and a password to use in conjunction with the software. So when you're done making a change to your page, you just publish your site, and instantly your site is updated on the web. The best thing about this type of host is that it's very economical. Like I said, they start at like $3.99, $4 per month, and you have the flexibility of doing pretty much anything with your site. If you want to add Flash, if you want to add a shopping cart, you can do pretty much anything with this type of web host. And the third type of web host is a host called Site Build It. And it's what I use to create my site, flatstomachexercises.com. I love it. I've been using it since July of 2005, and it's the best kind of host to use if you want to create a website that's going to generate some money. So if you want to learn more about Site Build It, you can go to iwantsbi.com and read all about it there. But Site Build It, it costs $2.99 per year, and you might say, why would I pay that kind of money when I can go to websitepalace.com and get a $3, $4 per month web host? This is why. If you choose Site Builder, you don't have to worry about all that I just spoke about with the domain name and choosing a web host, because they do everything for you. They are your domain registrar, so when you're ready to choose your name, they do all that for you. They also act as your web host, and they provide website building tools and templates to create your pages instantly. So you simply select a design, insert your text, and your site will be up and running in minutes. But the value, this is where you get the real value for Site Builder, is that it helps you get traffic to your site. The other hosts that I just mentioned do not provide any help with marketing your site, making sales, and actually making money with your website. So that's what you're getting with Site Builder. They also have a newsletter manager, so if you want to create a mailing list and send out a newsletter to your site visitors, it's already pre-built for you, so all you have to do is, with a click of a button, install that applet, and boom, you've got a newsletter subscription button on your site for people to subscribe, and then you can send out your newsletters instantly. There's also a built-in blog, so if you want to write a site blog for your site, Site Builder has all that built in, and those are just two of the many features that you get with the $299 per year. So I would highly, highly recommend Site Builder if making money from your site is a goal, whether you just want to sell products or if you want to do like I did with Flat Stomach Exercises and just create an information-only website and make money just by displaying ads on your page. It's the perfect host for that kind of site. So I hope that has helped you. Again, if you want to learn more about the web hosting options, definitely check out tocreateawebsite.com, because I go into much, much more detail. But I figured that putting a video on here would hopefully clear up maybe if you were confused about what you needed, and sometimes it's easier to watch a video than read tons and tons of text, because I do have a lot of text on my site. So good luck with your site, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you around. Bye-bye.